When was the last time you had a walk with your friend or loved one? Take this opportunity and join us tomorrow.
Please come for our sponsored walk tomorrow. Let's walk for a worthy cause. Don't forget. See you there.
Hi everyone! So we're at Ghana International School to talk to you about the 49th annual sponsored walk.
Sponsored walk starts at 5:30 tomorrow sharp. We're meeting at the senior section of GIS. Parents, students, please come. Tell your friends and family there will be prizes to be won. And don't worry if you think you can't do the whole thing. Buses will be along the route to bring you back to the school when you're ready to stop. Effie is going to tell us about what we're sponsoring this year.
This year we're sponsoring the Pearl Safe Haven, which caters to victims of domestic abuse, and the City Case Soup Kitchen, which also caters to young adults off the streets who need rehabilitation and feeding. We always support mental health, and this year we're not forgetting about that. So,
don't forget to be there.
I'll be there.
I'll be there. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Hi guys,
Tomorrow's our 49th annual sponsored walk.
and we're walking for 15 kilometers.
Well, we're because at 5:30 a.m. sharp.
So come walk with us.
See you there.
Hello everyone, so just like you've heard from our parents, you can tell that they're excited, and we're over here at the infant school. The tradition has been that we have worked for the last 49 years in support of mental health, and unfortunately our infants who are very young and won't be able to come with us all the way to Abokobi to do the entire 15-kilometer walk have actually decided to have their walk today. This is their way of giving back, and they've contributed and they've actually done their work here at the infant school, and I hope you enjoyed the footage right there. So I just want to send a gentle reminder your way. Tomorrow, don't do anything. Make your way here to Ghana International School and let's go. Let's walk for a good cause. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be awesome. Why not do something for a worthy cause and be proud of that? So until then, take care and see you tomorrow. All the best.